Hello everyone. This is difficult. I'm not okay, but I'll be okay. So as you may all know by now that there has been an incident that happened that implicated Honorable Minister Fikile Mbalula. In the video where I say I spoke to him when I said there's going to be an extension of the lockdown, and my colleague asked me, how do you know? I said I spoke to my friend Fikile, and in the video it ends where she cuts the video, and unfortunately the part that everyone didn't see was when I said to her, I was joking. I mean, I don't even know if there's going to be an extension. No one knows. But the timing was bad. The timing was horrible because it happened exactly like I said it. Which I can also questions that maybe I have a gift of seeing things before they happen. But at this point, I really made a bad joke. I never spoke to Fikile about anything regarding that. I never spoke to Fikile at all, like this week. So first of all, I would like to apologize again, because I can see that it's spiraling out of control, and because it happened the way I said it, people don't believe that I did not know anything about it. It was just a bad joke. The same way I joked about Zozibini winning Miss Universe, and it happened. It's the same way. The timing was on this one, because it's a very sensitive issue. It did not sit well, which I understand. And again, I apologize. I apologize to every single person that has taken offense and that has felt that we've broken the rules and the law. And I hope you find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm human, I make mistakes, and I am owning those mistakes. And I would also like to apologize if I've caused any harm or disrepute to any of my employers. I would like to apologize, because whether I like it or not, I am a representative of every brand that I work with. I am an ambassador of every partnership that I have professionally. So I also would like to apologize for that. Lesson learned. But also, again, I look at this with the spiritual eye. When God takes you that high, just like what's happening with the corona, bringing us to find ourselves, it's the same thing with me. This situation has just put some turbulence on my flight. And is it a crash? No, it's not a crash. I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to own it. I'm going to be in the moment. But I won't let it crumble me or crush me. It's a lesson learned. It's God's way. I've been through worse things in my life, and I know how God and the universe operates. He is just teaching me a lesson, and I've learned a lesson, whatever that lesson is. But it's also testing my faith in Him, that you can't always be on a high. I need to bring it down. I need to shake you. I need to test your faith in me. I have faith in God that this too shall pass. And this also is an encouragement to anyone and everyone who's going through or who might face challenging times. Challenging times are just challenges, not problems. Challenges, you face the challenges and you pick yourself up, dust yourself up, and move forward. I am doing just that. And I'm going to take it one day at a time. And whatever legal matters or steps that have been taken, I'm a citizen. I am not above the law. If I've done wrong, I will respect whatever judgment or whatever verdict that comes out of it. And if I didn't do wrong because it was not intentional, it was a very bad joke. I was not even aware that it's been recorded. So whatever it is that I need to face, I will face it, because I am not above the law. Having said that, I wish you a very beautiful Good Friday, Easter weekend, Easter holidays. Stay indoors. This is the time also to really pray harder and try and help the president and everyone else. And I'd also like to apologize to the presidency and the government and everyone else for what has happened. But back to the situation that we're facing in terms of the coronavirus, this is the time. It happened at a perfect time where we are in tune with our spirituality and our faith and our beliefs. Let's go for it. Let's get deeper into it and pray. Percentages of infections have dropped from 44% to 4%. That is a great move. And there's a reason why it's been extended, so that it is eliminated completely. Thank you so much for listening, and I humbly apologize.